4.
4.
4.
في المدرسة.
At school.
At school.
أين نحن؟
Where are we?
Where are we?
نحن في المدرسة.
We are at school.
We are at school.
عندنا صف.
We are having class.
We are having class.
هؤلاء هم التلاميذ.
Those are the school children.
Those are the school children.
هذه هي المعلمة.
That is the teacher.
That is the teacher.
هذا هو الفصل.
That is the class.
That is the class.
ماذا نعمل؟
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
نحن نتعلم.
We are learning.
We are learning.
نحن نتعلم لغة.
We are learning a language.
We are learning a language.
أنا أتعلم الإنجليزية.
I learn English.
I learn English.
أنت تتعلم الإسبانية.
You learn Spanish.
You learn Spanish.
هو يتعلم الألمانية.
He learns German.
He learns German.
نحن نتعلم الفرنسية. أنتم تتعلمون.
We learn French.
We learn French.
أنتن تتعلمن الإيطالية.
You will learn Italian.
You all learn Italian.
هم يتعلمون. حضرتكم تتعلمون الروسية.
They learn Russian.
They learn Russian.
تعلم اللغات شيء ممتع.
Learning languages is interesting.
Learning languages is interesting.
نحن نريد أن نفهم الناس.
We want to understand people.
We want to understand people.
نريد أن نتكلم مع الناس.
We want to speak with people.
We want to speak with people.